Hello there everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes, and in today's video we are focusing on present tense. We are first going to start off with simple present tense. Now we are going to focus on present tense in four types. First is the simple present tense, present progressive tense, present perfect, and present perfect progressive tense. So first we are starting off with the simple present tense, and it says we are talking about the current situation. So we are going to focus on the examples directly so that you can understand. Let's not focus on the definition. First, let us focus on the examples. I run towards school every day. So see, they are talking about the current scenario or current situation, which says I run towards the school every day. So run. So I run towards the school every day. Next is I play piano. So I play the piano every day almost. So yes, he loves her now. So now means we're talking about the current time. We are talking about the present. So he loves her now. Romy loves to eat burgers. So Romy nowadays loves to eat burgers. Okay. We produce biogas from manure. So we produce biogas from manure. So this is also something which is going on in the present situation. So produce. Okay, I go to the gym daily. I go to the gym. So every day I'm going to the gym. Something which is almost taking place every day. See, I'm not saying every day it's taking place in the sentences where every day, daily, all these things are not mentioned. We are going to take it. Like considering the verb, we can take it that it is almost happening on an everyday basis. All right. So that is what simple present tense is all about. Let's focus on the present progressive tense. Progressive means something which is continuing. Okay, something which is continuing. So addition of ing is the main thing over here, and also an addition of a helping verb. So helping verb plus the verb form plus ing. All right. So I'm basically trying to say helping verb means in present tense is, are, am, and in verb, any kind of verb plus we are going to add ing with the verb. Then it will become present progressive tense or continuous tense. All right. Let's focus on the examples. I'm watching a movie right now. So I'm watching. Just focus on this part. This is helping verb. This is the verb, and plus ing is the addition. So a helping verb, verb form plus ing. Okay. Same goes with the other sentences also. This is the helping verb. He is still sleeping. So sleep is the verb form plus ing addition. Am dancing. So am is the helping verb, dance is the verb form, ing is the addition as the continuous form or the progressive form. She is looking at him. So look is the verb form, is the helping verb, and addition of ing it shows or showcases the progressive tense. They are practicing on the ground. So practice is the verb form, are is the helping verb, and ing is showing the progressive tense. All right. The next sentence is you are not coming with us to the picnic. So not coming. Okay, so this is a bit of a negative sentence because we are having not. So wherever you are going to get no, not, never, don't know, did not know, all these kind of sentences would portray that that's a negative sentence. Okay. So once you go on with the chapters, we are going to discuss about interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and also about the negative sentences. So let's start with the very beginning where I'm introducing you all to the negative sentences. So that's a very easy topic, negative sentence, because identifying the negative words is very, very easy. Okay, you're not coming with us to the picnic. So not coming. Okay, first of all, here is this are, which is the helping verb, come, which is the verb form, and ing, which is the addition of the progressive tense. Okay, so yeah, let's now focus on present perfect. present perfect means we are going to use the has, have plus the participle of the main verb. So let's just focus on the examples. You will be able to understand through that only. I have seen this place before. So obviously here, instead of like has is used for singular and have is used for plural. So with I, obviously it should have been has, but with I and with you, we use have. Okay, remember this always. With I and with you, we always use have. So I have seen this place before. So have seen. So the verb is becoming a little bit different over here. We are going on with the present tense, but we can clearly see that the word is no more in the present tense. It's becoming a bit of past tense, right? I have seen. Okay, seen. I have seen this place before. Okay, have seen. She has played the piano since she was 8. So has played, has completed. So he, obviously with he, she, then it. Okay, so with all these we are going to use has. And with the others, like yeah, if you have any kind of name, right, like Rahul has, Seema has, okay, Rochelle has. But if we take up the plural form, like the children have, okay, like this, you can use with plural have with singular has. So here most of them are in a singular only. So she has gone, she has played, she has completed. Okay, but I have already told that it would be have. So I have submitted the thesis report in the HOD's office. Okay, with they, obviously it would be have. So they have given 3 mock tests already. Okay, next, the last form of the present tense, that's the present perfect tense, progressive tense. In present perfect progressive tense, we can use has, have instead of had, because had is used in past progressive. Okay, past progressive, sorry, not past progressive, had is used in past perfect. In past perfect plus in past perfect, no, in past perfect only it's used. And has and have are used in present perfect, as I have just mentioned in the previous topic. Okay, let's go through the examples. The guy has been feeling sick lately. So has been feeling. So this is present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous tense examples that we are going through. So the guy has been feeling sick lately. Next is recently the officer has been serving. He has been preparing. You have been watching. I've already mentioned you and I will be accompanied by have. Okay. I have been working on this project for the last 2 years. They have been participating in cultural event for the previous 5 years. Okay, have not been participating. Okay, this is a bit of a negative sentence, as I've already mentioned. Using not, no, don't know, all these type of negative words or no in a sentence would portray that the sentence is negative sentence. Okay, so they have not been participating in cultural event for the previous 5 years. All right. So yes, these were the 4 types of present tense, and hopefully you all are clear with it. So if you have any kind of queries, you can ask us. And if you are preparing for any kind of entrance-based examinations, then you can just join our classes. Okay, so thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again with more such topics in the other classes.